On this video, we'll be exploring 23 hidden WhatsApp features that every iPhone user should know about. From customizing notification to using WhatsApp as a note-taking app, we got you covered. 1. Customizing notification. Did you know that you can customize notification for individual chats on WhatsApp? Simply go to the chat in question, tap on the contact's name at the top of the screen, and select wallpaper and sound. From there, you can choose a unique notification, for example, alert tone, and then select from the list the tone that we want to select. For example, I pick the hello. Okay, after that we can tap save. Okay, we got to the number 2. Pinning chat for important chat. Do you have certain chats that are more important than others? You can pin them to the top of your chat list by swiping right on the chats and selecting pin chat. Just swipe to the right and then you can pin chat, and it will be moved to the top of your list. Number 3. Using WhatsApp as a note-taking app. WhatsApp may be known for messaging, but it can also be used as a note-taking app. Simply create chat with yourself and use it to jot down notes, links, and other information you want to remember. How to use it? Just open the browser on your phone. For example, I will be using the Google Chrome, and then on the searching bar, type https://wa.ma/ and you can type your number, start by plus and type your number. After that, you can see a button with continue to chat. Just tap on the button and then you will be directly to your number. So from there, you can make a note for yourself. For example, this is me, okay? And we press back and then you can see your own number on the list. So you can write your note on this, okay? Number 4, marking chat as unread. If you read a message but you want to come back to it later, you can mark it as unread by swiping right on the chat and selecting mark as unread. You can tap on it. This is a great way to keep track of messages that require follow-up. Number 5, sending message to multiple chats at once. Do you need to send the same message to multiple chats? Instead of copying and pasting, simply select the new broadcast. Pick the broadcast list and tap New List. And you can choose the contact that you want to send the message. For example, I just pick this contact. You can choose more than 2 and then you can tap Create. After that, you can send the message. Hello. So the message hello will be sent to those 2 contacts that we already picked. Number 6, muting chats. If you are in a group chat that particularly active, you may want to mute notification for a while. Simply go to the chat in question, pick the group, tap on the contact's name at the top of the screen, and select mute notification. From there, you can choose how long you want to mute notification. For example, 8 hours, 1 week, or always mute. Okay. Number 7, sending high quality photos and video. By default, WhatsApp compress photo and video to save the data. However, if you want to send the high quality media, simply go to WhatsApp setting, choose the storage and data, and then tap media upload quality. From there, you can pick best quality. This will be sending the high quality photo and video to your contact without compress the size itself. Number 8. Formatting text. WhatsApp allows you to format text in a bold, italic, and strike through. For example, I will send message this. Simply put an asterisk before and after a word or phrase to make it bold. For example, I type asterisk hello, and then I will close it with asterisk again, then I will send. We can see the word hello will be bold. To make it italic, you can use underscore. I will type underscore hello, and then I will close it again with underscore and then send. We can see the word hello will be italic. And to make it strike through, we can use a title mark. I start with title hello and then close it with title mark and then I send it. We can see the format text is strike through. Number 9. Sending GIF. Express yourself with GIFs. WhatsApp has a built-in GIF search engine which you can access by tapping on the GIF icon here. In the text input field and select GIF, you can choose the GIF that you want to send to your contact. I choose this one and then I will tap send. Okay. We can send the GIF file to our contact. Number 10. Using two WhatsApp in one number. Finally, did you know that you can use two WhatsApp on your one number? Simply go to your browser on your phone. I'm using Google Chrome. Then you can go to the web whatsapp.com on your browser. And from there, you can scan the QR code with your iPhone and start messaging away. Number 11. Marking message as favorite. So we open our WhatsApp again. And then, did you receive a message that you want to save for later? You can mark it as your favorite by long pressing on the message and tapping the star icon. I pick this one and then I choose the message that I want to mark as favorite. I just tap and hold on the message and tapping the star icon. You can access all your favorite messages by going to setting and choose the start message. So the message that you already marked as favorite will appear. Number 12. Reply to a specific message. If you want to reply to a specific message in a group chat, simply swipe right on the message that you want to reply and tap the reply button. This will quote the original message in your reply. Make it easier for others to follow the conversation. Number 13. Search for message. If you need to find a specific message, you can use the search bar at the top of the chat list. Simply type in a keyword or key phrase, and the WhatsApp will show you all the messages that match your search query. For example, I am going to search tutorial. Then you can see all the messages that contain word tutorial will be showing on the list. Number 14. Send your live location. If you're meeting up with someone and want to share your location in real time, you can use WhatsApp live location feature. Simply tap on the plus icon in the text input field, select location, and then choose share live location. You can then choose how long you want to share your location for to your contact. Number 15. Two-step verification. To add an extra layer of security to your WhatsApp account, you can enable two-step verification. This requires you to enter a 6-digit PIN whenever you try to verify your phone number on WhatsApp. To enable two-step verification, go to Settings, choose Account, and then choose Two-Step Verification. Number 16. Check message delivery and read status. You can check if a message you send has been delivered and read by the recipient. Simply long press on the send message. For example, I tap this and you can choose the info icon and you can see the delivery and read status. On this case, no one read is already delivered, but no one read the status yet. Okay. Number 17. Archive chats. If you have a chat that you don't want to delete but want to hide from your chat list, you can archive it. Simply swipe left on the chat and tap on the archive button. If already, you can access all your archive chats by scrolling top to the top of your chat list and tapping on archive chats. You can see the list of your archive chat here. Number 18. Change chat wallpaper. You can customize the background of your chats by changing the chat wallpaper. Simply go to Setting, pick Chats, and choose the chat wallpaper. And choose from the preloaded wallpaper or use your own photo from your gallery. For example, I choose this one. Okay, I choose this one. You can see the wallpaper. We pick set, we tap set and then back and back. You open the chat menu here. For example, this one. You can see the background already changed. Number 19. Disable read receipt. If you don't want others to know when you read their message, you can disable read receipt. Simply go to Setting and then Privacy and toggle off. You can see read receipt is already toggled on and you can toggle off. Okay, keep in mind that if you disable read receipt, you won't be able to see when others have read your message either. Number 20. Use Siri to send message. You can use Siri to send WhatsApp message hands-free. But first of all, go to your phone setting. We activate the Siri by tap the Siri and search. And then we toggle on the listen for and then enable Siri. Then we can continue. Hey Siri into your phone, okay? And say, hey Siri, send a message. Step 3, hey Siri, how's the weather today? Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, play some music. After Siri already activated, we just tap done. Okay, we back to the home. And then from the home, we do not open the WhatsApp. We just say, for example, hey Siri, open the WhatsApp application. When Siri already opened the WhatsApp application, for example, I'm going to send WhatsApp message to my friends James Ferdi. Hey Siri, send the James Ferdi WhatsApp message. How are you?
Send it.
Send it.
Done.
Thank you. Okay, we can see Siri already sends the message to my contact without I need to type to the phone, just using my voice, hands-free. Okay? Number 21, create shortcut for frequently used chats. You can create shortcut for your most frequently used chat by long pressing on a chat. How to do it? We open the shortcut application. It's already included on your iOS, and then you can tap on the plus. After that, you can tap add action. On the searching bar, just searching the WhatsApp application and tap on WhatsApp. After that, we can see there are several options: list, like send message via WhatsApp, send photo via WhatsApp, send message, call, or FaceTime. On this case, I'm using send message. Tap on send message. After that, on recipient, we can choose the recipient from our contact. For example, I will choose James Verdi, one of my contact. After that, tap done. We can see the recipient names already changed. And then after that, we tap on this and we can choose the icon. Now, we can choose the icon and also the color. For example, I'm using this icon. After that, the color I will choose green. After that, we tap done. Okay, and then we tap on the icon this and tap add to home screen. After that, we click add. Then we check on our home screen. We already have a shortcut. Just tap on the shortcut. We can text the message. For example, I will say shoe and I tap done. WhatsApp already sent to the recipient. Then tap done. Then we check to our WhatsApp app. We can see the message we typed before already sent to the recipient, which is James Verdi. Okay, now we moving to the number 22. Enable disappearing message in WhatsApp chat on an iPhone. Any message sent in the chat will automatically disappear after the time interval you choose. How to do it? Open WhatsApp on your phone. Go to the chat you want to enable disappearing message for. For example, I'm choose James Verdi. Tap on the contact or group name at the top of the screen. Scroll down and tap on disappearing message. You can choose the time interval for disappearing message. You can choose between 24 hours, 7 days, or 60 days. For example, I choose 24 hours and then tap done. Or you just back. In 24 hours, all message from James Verdi will be disappearing. Once you complete this step, disappearing message will be enabled for that chat in WhatsApp on your iPhone. By default, media downloaded in WhatsApp will be automatically downloaded to your photo. If disappearing messages are turned on, media sent in the chat will disappear, but it will be saved on the phone if auto download is on. You can turn auto download off in WhatsApp setting, and you can set it on the storage and data. Photo, audio, video, and document, we can set it based on our needs. For example, for photo, if I don't need, just pick never. Or maybe it will be auto download if only using the Wi-Fi only. So I pick Wi-Fi only, number 2. Okay, just like that. That's it for our list of 22 hidden WhatsApp features every iPhone user should know about. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye!